Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of my new Coca-Cola fridge. Let's see together what's inside. This is the charger or the of course I ordered this from amazon.co.uk. That's why you see UK plug. I'm gonna use this one for home. It's gonna be for home use, not for car use. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna use it for my car. So let's see how it fits on my cabinet. This is how it looks on my rack. Let's open it together. I just turned it on and still, yeah, it's cold here. It's cold here, but not here. So it needs some time. That's it. That's my rack. That's my fridge. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.